This institute is a leading institute in India in the area of public sector. It was set up in 1964 by the then policy makers with a view to generate inputs for research to formulate public policy. Now this institute is in 50th year and is celebrating its golden jubilee. Institute has a board of directors which is headed by a very eminent educationist and social activist, Dr. P. Ramarao. Dr. P. Ramarao is the former Secretary Government of India in Science and Technology. He was also Vice Chancellor of the University of Hyderabad. He was also the former Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. He is a member of the Prime Minister's Advisory Committee. On the Board of Governors, we have very eminent people. We have Mr. Madhav Rao, who is the former Chief Secretary, Government of India. He is on the board. We also have Mr. Raju, who heads the Deccan Cements. We have Mr. Bhaskar Chatterjee, who is Director General of the Institute of Corporate Affairs. We have Secretary, Department of Public Enterprises. We also have a representative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The GHRD survey has ranked IPE as 7th in India, recognizing its potential in the area of research, training, consultancy and teaching. The institute has 7 long-term programs. Institute has about 55 faculty members. It has trained 30,000 public sector executives and it has trained 2,000 IS officers. The institute is connected to all the leading agencies in our country. It works with the Cabinet Secretariat, Government of India, and this Department of Performance Management Development. Recently, we had a conference at Delhi with Cabinet Secretariat, PMD, and we had about 45 participants coming from different parts of the world. The institute will keep on working with the Cabinet Secretariat. Institute has published about 250 books. It has also done about 300 consulting assignments. Institute's placement record has been very good. And in terms of diversity, we have had students from different parts of India. We also have a very good gender mix. We expect that with the team of the SARC, which has come very recently to IPE, our ratings will further go up. And we are also setting up a new campus. We are investing about 100 crore in new campus, and that will be a state-of-art campus. It will be LEED and GIA compliant campus, and this will be one of the best campuses in India for those who would like to come and study management courses. Thank you.